Hello, lovely people of the internet. Why is my camera blurry? Focus. Focus. Here we go. Hello, lovely people of the internet. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a journey of how to use FastPay. So, most 9-to-5 jobs have a pay period, and it's either a week, 2 weeks, or a month. And I don't even know why the month thing is there. That's just crazy. Why would you wait that long to get paid, people? Because you got credit cards. We're getting to that. So say you got an amazing item in your shopping cart and there's an amazing deal on it and you love the item and you want to buy it, but it's 2 weeks until you get paid. So what do? Number one, use credit card. Not a huge fan of that at all, because credit cards are just a black hole that tie you up, and then you have to owe money to people, and that's just ridiculous. I don't want to do that. What's option number two? Do Doordash. But Doordash pays you after a week as well. No, not necessarily. There's a fast pay option that some people don't know about. Maybe you, if you're watching this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use FastPay. So let's dive right in without further ado. So when you go to DoorDash, you have this home screen, and I'm sorry if it's blurry. Let me try to focus in on that for you guys. It's not focusing. I'm using my front face camera. But anyways, on the top left corner, left hand side, there's these 3 lines. And you press on these 3 lines and then comes up your kind of homepage area. So the homepage area comes up and then it says dash. Next it says schedule, and then underneath that it says earnings. You press on the earnings button and that brings you right up to your earnings. Now once you get to the earnings page, toward the top right, you have 3 dots right here, and then you have a question mark, and right next to that you have a lovely house type of a building. You press on that lovely house type of a building, you get this screen right here. And up top, it will say for you, if you're not enrolled in FastPay, it'll just say enroll in FastPay. For me, it says use FastPay because I've already enrolled my debit card. You'll be required to enroll your debit card because it needs to know where to send your money when you use FastPay. Once you have FastPay enrolled, press on this button right here. Currently, I don't have any money, but if you do, it will say transfer. You press the transfer button, and like that, the money is in your bank account. It says it'll be in your bank account from 30 minutes to a day, but for me, it happens immediately after I hit the transfer button. I've literally been at gas stations. I hit that button and thought money is in my bank account and I could put in gas or go out to eat with friends or do whatever I want with my money. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.